What is a Google Business Profile? Google Business Profile is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. It helps businesses attract and engage customers by providing vital information like hours of operation, photos, and customer reviews. For service area businesses, this can mean the difference between being found and being forgotten. Why is this tool particularly important for service area businesses? Because it allows you to list the areas you serve, rather than a specific business address. This means potential customers can find your business based on their location, even if you don't have a physical storefront. Imagine you're a plumber, electrician, or mobile car repair service. Having a well-optimized Google Business Profile ensures that when someone in your service area searches for your services, your business shows up. Boosting your credibility, a well-maintained Google Business Profile also boosts your credibility. With customer reviews, photos of your work, and detailed information, potential customers are more likely to trust and choose your business. Reviews, in particular, play a significant role. They provide social proof that your services are reliable and valued by others. SEO benefits. Another critical benefit is the SEO boost. Google uses information from your business profile to help determine how you rank in local searches. This means a complete and accurate profile can significantly improve your visibility. Keywords related to your services in your profile description and posts help Google match your business to relevant searches. Key features: you should leverage posting updates about your services, special offers, or any news related to your business. These updates can appear directly in search results, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Utilizing the Q&A section to address common customer questions can also be a powerful tool, showing your proactive approach to customer service. Conclusion: a Google Business Profile is not just a tool, but a vital asset for service area businesses. It enhances your online presence, boosts credibility, and helps you reach customers effectively. Don't overlook this powerful resource. Take the time to optimize your profile and watch your business grow. Here's how a GBP can work for you. Increase local reach. Set your service area so customers nearby can easily find you. Even without a physical address, you're visible where it matters. Build trust. With reviews, service photos, and updates, you can establish credibility and show clients you're the real deal. Drive more bookings. GBPs offer direct calls and even message options, so people can connect with you instantly. Just one click, and they're ready to hire. For service area businesses, GBP is a powerful way to compete in the local market. Don't miss out on capturing those local leads. Set up or optimize your profile today, and watch your business grow. Thank you for tuning into Internet Biz Leads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on leveraging Google Business Profiles and other lead generation strategies. See you next time.